Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested reading. What is his or her message to you? Many of you requested this reading, friends. Here it is now with the love messages. Yes, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Yes, friends, www.magicwenstarot.com. You can buy your own personal readings from there, and if you have recently booked, yes, I will be sending your readings out in a day or two. I did send a few readings today. If you didn't receive yours today, it will be coming in 1 or 2 days. So thank you so much for ordering your readings. Have you checked your 2022 horoscope readings? I have been doing those. Links are in the timestamps. Pick a card has also been done for 2022. You can check that out. And you can buy your own personal 2022 or 6 months reading or the whole yearly readings from the website. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So let's take a, let's start. Let's see what is the let me just I have a little space here, not much space for all the decks. I have a lot of decks here, almost 8 to 9 round decks. Let's see which one we'll use. Okay, so someone asked me how many decks I have. I have a lot of decks. I don't use all of them because I don't have, it's very difficult to keep them all together for a reading. I have a cupboard which is full of the decks, must be over 50 decks, I guess, maybe even more. I've never counted. They just keep, you keep collecting them. I don't know how they keep coming. They just keep, I think decks come into your own life without you finding them out. They come when they have, when there is a reason, the deck will reach you. The tarot cards will reach you, when you need them. When the right one is there, it will reach you automatically. All right, so that was some personal info. All right, and how are you all feeling, friends? Are you feeling something big is about to happen? Because I'm feeling that. And yes, not that it's my birthday that's coming in the next month. No, not that. Something else, something beautiful that's coming ahead. So let's see, friends, how is your person feeling? What is their message for you? First, we'll see their current energy, the theme. How is our viewer's person feeling? This person could be anybody, your crush, your lover, your ex-husband, wife, your twin flame, your soulmate. What is the theme? How is a person's viewer's person feeling? What is their current energy? All right, awakening. This person is going through a spiritual awakening. No wonder you were asking for this reading. You can feel it. This person is going through some sort of a shift, and they are definitely, this person has been stuck since a very, 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 very long time, friends. Your person has been in a stuck mode. They have been not moving forward. They have been stuck in ego, in mind, in in religion, culture. This person has been really slow and frustrating you, but right now they are going through an awakening. They are going through a change. Eight of Autumn. Yes, I do feel they are working on themselves, friends. It's a very, very clear message. This person, your person, is taking the time to work on themselves. Change the way you are looking at the situation. Embrace your uniqueness. A temporary pause in the action. Yes, I do feel this person is not in communication with you, or they are trying to communicate very less right now. You may be in no contact, or they are hibernating a little. But all this is because this person is going through shifts, friends. They are changing, they are shifting, and they are working on themselves. For some of you, this person is working on their money, on their career, to stabilize that, so that, because that is a block in your relationship. For others, this person is working on their spirituality. They are becoming more open hearted. This person had a lot of ego, lot of ego. This person was completely like, look at this. This person had to be turned upside down so they can go through this awakening. They were turned upside down. This person has resisted change. They had resisted to change themselves. And that is why, right now, They are being working on themselves, they are trying to change, they are trying to let go of their ego, they are working on themselves, they are trying to become more balanced, more heart centric. I also feel this person could be having some gender issues, like confusion, or like hot and cold behavior, like sometimes they are passionate, sometimes they are not, sometimes they are distant, sometimes they are egoistic, sometimes they are very very kind. So you are like, what is happening here? This person is working, they had some ups and downs, and they were not able to balance it, but now they are, the universe is working on them. Do more research before proceeding. Education in the form of seminars, going back to school, or apprehensions, oh my god, that's a tough word. Apprehensions, oh my god, apprehensions, oh my god, I can't say it right now because I'm channeling. I seriously cannot. Certain words you can't say while you are channeling. I can say it when I'm not. Oh my god, apprenticeships. Yeah, I think that's the word. Yeah. Excellent craftsmanships and long-term projects. Yes, this person is definitely, if you have not heard from this new person, it is because they are busy at work, they are studying, they also have some exams coming for them. So if this is a new person, they are busy with work, and that's why you maybe not be hearing from them. You may not have seen them since a while, because they are busy working on themselves. So let us see what is this person's message for our viewers. Okay, Seven of Autumn, patience. They want you to be patient. This person knows they have keep you, they have been making you wait. They know that. Have patience, don't worry. They want to reassure you that they are working on themselves. Have some patience, do not worry. Take time to rest and plan your next steps. A prudent investment of time or money is coming. I do feel this person wants you to be patient with them, because this person, it is not an easy change for this person. This all this which is happening, this awakening, this moving away from ego to love, all this is not easy for this person. It is very new for this person. So they want you to be patient. If this is a new connection, this person is taking their time, because they are trying to understand you, they are trying to put the best foot forward for you, they are trying to make a good impression, right? Eight of cups. Yeah, I do feel that some of you have even moved on from this relationship, and there is this energy of hurt, there is this energy of pain, tears. I think this person, their message is they were too quick to give up on this relationship. This person was really very, very quick to end this connection, or they were very quick to move on, and they rarely regret it now. They realized they should have worked on this connection. They realized they should have stayed. It was not the time to jump the gun, it was the time to stay for them in the past. I do feel that if this is an old connection or a past connection, this person just rushed into giving up on this connection. They really moved out of this connection towards a third party, or because of family, religion, culture. They gave up too soon. That's what I feel. They gave up too soon. The desire for a more meaningful life, realizing that it's time to move on, choosing to make major life changes. They really regret it. They feel like they should have waited a little more to give up. They should have waited and worked on this relationship. When you were going away, they should have stopped you. That is what is bugging this person, that why they didn't stop you from going away, why they didn't ask you to stay more. Also, if this is a new connection, this person is really struggling to end a past connection, or to heal. This person has been hurt in the past, so they are still trying to recover from that, and they are taking their time because of that. The King of Cups. This person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Your person could also be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. You could also be these sun signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do feel this person still loves you, no matter what they have done, no matter what is their current situation, whether you are in contact, no contact, moved on, not moved on. This person still loves you, and that's what is the problem. Like, they could not tell you in the past that they love you. They were not able to share their heart with you. This person runs away when it comes to emotions. They just fly, 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 fly. So definitely they still feel a lot of emotions for you, a lot of affection for you, and they want to be this king or this queen for you. They want to be this person for you who is loving, who's caring, who's beautiful for you, and they want to do it right now. That's their message. Like they gave it up too soon. They didn't tell you, like how much they loved you. Six of Winter, they want a change in this connection. They definitely want a positive change. They don't want this relationship to be stuck or in no contact. They don't want you to move on. They want things to be better in this connection, or at least if this person is married, they would at least want your forgiveness in some way, because they are still hopeful for this connection. There is still hope for them. A positive changes are on their way, a welcome relief from troubled times, traveling or relocating. I do feel if there is a third party, this person definitely loves you still and they want you back. They are missing you. Another thing is, if you guys are no contact, this person wants to meet you. They are trying to fix things in their life so they can meet you, relocate, shift also. I also feel that this person has a hope in their heart that in the future, at some point of time, when they have shifted, things will get better in this connection. There will be a heart healing, there will be a merger happening in this connection. Positive change will come. Five of Winter. Yeah, this person definitely ghosted you. This person has ghosted you. They have blocked you. They have hurted you. They have said unkind things to you. This person has been like an ice, like they were icy cold, they were very unkind to you, and they just never told you they loved you. And that's so bad. I think that's the worst thing you can ever do, is like be with someone and never tell them you kind of loved them or you were important to them, right? So I feel this person never told you how much they loved you and they really regret it. They were like a piece of ice. They were like an icicle. They were like icy ice cube, and now their heart is melting. Their heart is shifting. Their heart is melting for you. It doesn't matter what is the current circumstances. Even if they are with somebody else, they are falling in love with you now and they want to share it with you now, because earlier this person was like this, all like frozen. They were like an ice prince or princess, frozen. They didn't know what to do. They also want you to forgive them for the past, because if they said anything unkind or if there was an argument, they want your forgiveness. They are sorry about that. They don't know how to apologize, but they really want your forgiveness. Prince of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. You guys could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel like, your person wants you to be a little practical about things, like in a way, like they don't want to drag on this fight, this Cold War. They want your love. They want things. Maybe they are not talking to you because they don't want to fight with you anymore. They want things to be a little, peaceful, so that, if we don't talk, there is no fight, and then things can come back again to love. So if this person is not talking to you, it is because they don't want to fight with you, argue with you. They want to give love a chance here. Four of Autumn. Yeah, I do feel this person keeps stalking your social media. They are stalking you. They are trying to find what you are doing up to, what you are doing in your life. I also feel this person loves you a lot, but they are trying to hide it very well. They want to hide it. They also have some money issues. They have money problems. They feel like you, our viewers, are more successful than they are, so they are like, I want to work hard, I want to work hard. So that could also be there. They want to be your equal match. Seven of Summer. Yeah, I do feel that this person wants to tell you that in the past they didn't choose you and it was a mistake. They had a lot of issues. They were guilty, and they didn't had the confidence in the past to choose you. They were struggling. There were many things which were going through this person's mind. They still think about you every day. That's their message for you. You are like a rainbow child. You are like a rainbow to them, full of life, full of joy, full of happiness. And they still think about you every day, 7 hours. It's like 24 hours, 24/7. I think about you. Seven of Winter. Yeah, this person is an escapist, this person ran away from you. This could be a twin flame. This could be a divine feminine or masculine. This could be someone who was a runner, who just ran away from love. And they want to tell you it's not because of you they ran away. It's because of them. This person, when they see commitment, they are scared of it. When they see hurt, they are scared of it. It doesn't mean that they don't love you. It only means that they were struggling to love themselves. They were struggling in themselves. They were struggling to become, friends with themselves. This person, you guys could be in a same sex relationship, or this person could be from, a rainbow tribe. They could be having some gender issues, some anxiety issues, some, health issues probably. That is why also they ran away, because they felt like how to deal with it, how to tell anybody about it. Like, sometimes we have those things like we are shy about some certain things. We are shy and we don't know what to do, so sometimes we run away. This person had some commitment phobias. They definitely had some commitment phobias. If this is a new person, they like you a lot, but they do tend to run away when it comes to serious connections, or when it comes to being vulnerable, or when it comes to stepping outside of their comfort zone. They do tend to run away, so be careful about that. If this is a new person, they may run away, so be careful about that. Okay, let's see, what is this person's message? How does this person feel about our viewers? The Queen of Spring. They feel very passionate towards you. They feel like you guys are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You guys are like the sun. You are very, very brilliant. You guys are full of passion. You guys are very committed. They also feel very attracted towards you. They see this beautiful, like you have a power that really magnetizes this person, attracts them a lot towards you. The Lovers. Yes, this person loves you a lot. They definitely feel a lot. They feel very committed to you. Even though they may have run away from you, they are still committed to you in some way in their mind. This person is quite a phenomena, I tell you. They say something else, they feel something else. So no wonder you are here watching this reading. So this person definitely wants to commit to you. They have commitment on their mind. They also they also feel right now also very serious about you, about the long-term future. Also, they want to promise you love, promise you affection. Ace of Spring, very, very passionate connection. They want a new start with you. They are very hopeful about it. They want to bring things to a new life, a new passion in you and this person in this connection. Also, if this is a marriage and you are asking about a spouse, if this person, you both are married, they want to have a family with you, like have children with you, have kids with you, expand the family with you. There is a lot of passion in this connection. This person feels absolutely head over heels in passion with you, and they don't know what to do about it. They also want to commit to you and get married to you. It's like, I am, committed to you, but I may have made some stupid choices. I don't know how to fix them now. So what is this person's message to our viewers? Any message? Ten of Winter. The resolution of difficulties, a weight lifted off your shoulders, the end of a difficult situation. Yes, they are coming out of the troubles. They are coming out of this, pause. They will. Things will shift in this connection. You must keep hope. Also, for some of you, Five of Spring. Yeah, for some of you, maybe, this relationship is a little too difficult right now, and it is okay if you are trying to move on. They agree, they understand about it. It is also like, this relationship is a little difficult because your heart also says one thing there and your head says one thing. So this relationship is a conflict between your head and heart. So your person understands, maybe you want to move out of this connection, or you want to, for the time being, focus on other things in life, because the situation gets so complicated. Like, you cannot focus on work, you cannot focus on love, like family, or anything else. So you want to take some, this person is like, I understand if you need a break, if you are focusing on other things, I understand. The Chariot, yes, they do assure you that in the future they may be confused right now, but in the future they will be making a clear breakthrough. They will be making a move towards you. They will be moving towards you, traveling towards you. They are. This person is going through a lot of shifts right now, and there is a possibility that they will message you in the next 7 hours, next 7 days, because this person is shifting. They are shifting and they are changing. So let us see what else. What else is happening in this connection? How is our viewers person feeling? The wildflower. Yeah, this person is like, they feel like you are very exotic. This relationship is very special to them. This is like a wildflower. It has its own charm, its own beauty, and they can't find it anywhere. Your love is such that they can't find it anywhere. The toad, yeah, they want to be your prince charming, your princess charming, the ultimate one for you. Volcano, yeah, this is a volcanic attraction. You guys are like, this is an eruptive this is like an eruptive relationship. There is a lot of passion in this, and there is a lot they have to tell you also. There is a lot on their mind, on their heart to tell you. And the skull, yeah, the past is definitely bothering this person. They want to end the past and fix it probably. So, what does this person think about you? Let's see that. What does this person, our viewers person, think about our viewers? Chaos and conflict, number 33. Yeah, this person has a lot to say on their mind. They feel very conflicted. One part of them wants to be with you. Their mind is like, no, you are not ready. They are completely, without you, this person is nothing. They are completely torn apart. And that's what they want to tell you. Like, see, I am broken. Without you, I'm nothing. I'm broken. So I keep getting that song, Pratik Kuhar's song, Cold Mess. I want to give you all my heart, but my heart is a mess. So what do I do? Like, my heart is a mess. I want to give you my love. But flexible, number 19. Yeah, this person is thinking like, they are trying. They are trying to be from broken. They are trying to heal. And they are working on themselves. Change, yeah, a change will come in this situation. They want to assure you. It may take some time for some of you. 7 days, 7 months, 7 hours, 7 days, 7 months. For some of you, this person may take a little bit more time, friends. I'm sorry, but yeah, that is how it feels like. So what will be this person's future actions? Any actions will they take in the future towards our viewers? What will happen in the future of this connection? Oh my god, this is beautiful. Love. Wow, this is beautiful. So some of you are definitely going to find the love back in this connection. You guys are going to reunite and fall in love with each other. I do feel this is a very important connection for you. It could be a twin flame or soulmate for you, an important person in your life. And what else? What else will happen in the future? Success and growth. Yes, there is a potential that this connection will grow and become better in the coming days. I also feel some of you may, if you are trying to move on from this person, yes, you will find another love and it will be a very nice relationship. Take the lead. Yes, it is time to take charge of your life. I also feel that this relationship, this person will take the lead when it is time for them, when they have healed. There will be there will be a new start in this connection for some of you. I would say for 80% of you. But for the 20% of you, you may choose another person and a new lover is coming. And you must focus on yourself. Take the lead. A new person will come. So let us see what things you need to keep in mind right now for your love life. What do you need to do? Let's see. What are the things our viewers need to keep in mind? Wonders. Yeah, life has more than one option always, friends. And life, this relationship can also turn out better than what you expect. So keep your imagination high and stay flexible. Courage, yes. If you feel like you are stuck and you can't find anybody, stay confident. You can attract whatever you want. A new relationship, this person or somebody better. Love, yes, friends, you are worthy of love. Look at that. You have two love cards back to back. Love and love. Oh my god, this is beautiful, friends. So I do see love is coming your way. You are ready for love no matter what you say, how you feel it. Love is coming for you. So, anything else, any final messages for our viewers? Through gratitude, joy expands. Yeah, I feel like instead of feeling angry or upset or frustrated with your situation or this current relationship, friends, I would suggest you to stay positive and stay grateful that you met this person, things happened, whatever. Try to stay grateful, because the more gratitude you have, the better your love life will be in the future. And let's see, crossing bridges, it is time for healing, connecting, and releasing. Yes, for some of you, it is definitely a time to heal. This is a time to, mend this relationship. And for some of you, it is time to move on. Yes, and I think you are ready. For some of you, already know this. But it will bring love towards you. You are moving towards love. You are not moving away from this person. You are moving towards love. So, yes. Joy and delight, open your heart to joy. So yes, happiness is coming your way, friends. And any advice for you? Let's see, is there any advice for our viewers? Simplify your life, eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow. So I do feel like, it is time to take back control of your life, time to focus on yourself. Do not keep too high expectations. Also, try to, if you have a lot of baggage or expectations, let it go. Accept life, or rather accept the future as it comes. Something beautiful can happen for you once you start expecting. Oh my god, time to move on. Yeah, for some of you, friends, I'm sorry to say, but it's time to move on. Maybe for right now, because in the future, when this person is healed, they will be coming towards you. It is time to let go of the old. Maybe it is time to end the past conflict and hurt and pain and focus on the new things in this connection and a new dawn. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. So good things are coming for you, friends. You have been down and dusted, but things are looking up for you. So let us see what is the message from this person. Do they want to say anything to you? What is their message from this person? Okay. Time apart has been life changing for me. So yeah, even though you guys may not be in contact, this person has changed because of this time apart, this separation from you. It is changing this person. It is making them a better human being. I'm at a dark place now. Yeah, this person is going through a lot of spiritual shifts. They are going through a lot of challenges. They are going through ego issues, power issues, money issues, religion, culture issues. I'm finding myself the missing link. Yeah, this person is taking the time to work on themselves. So that is why you also need to focus on yourself right now. The universe is aligning our union. Yes. Our connection is growing in 5D. Spiritually, you guys are always connected. Energetically, you guys are always in union. No one can ever replace you. Yeah, this person will never replace you. They are forever committed to you. I don't know why you are so mad at me. They don't know why, you are angry. I think they know, but they are kind of like, I don't know why you are so mad at me. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? This person ran away from commitment. They just ran away. I feel the connection fading. Yeah, I think your person feels like, a little lost. Like, because they have this they keep running away from their heart towards their ego. When they are in ego, they feel the connection is gone. When they are in their heart, they feel you are very close. So this person still fluctuates between ego and heart. I feel pain, lots of it. Yeah, this person is in pain, and they are suffering. Let us talk one more time and make things better. I do feel this person is going to call you, friends, in the next 7 hours, 7 days, or in the next 7 months. So yes, And I wish you all the best with this relationship and lots of love. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot saying subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Insta. And this is bye bye for now.